if you need some great conditioner, I would highly recommend this by Attitude. This is specifically the grapeseed oil and olive leaf ones. And as you can see here, it's supposed to restore and strengthen dry and damaged hair. So I do have dry and damaged hair, so I went ahead and tried this out. So far, I absolutely love it. I am pretty fond of the Attitude brand in general because of what they use for the ingredients. This is, you could see, 98% natural origin, and it is vegan. There you can see the ingredients, like I said, which I really like. But overall, I just really have enjoyed using this conditioner. So if you're looking for a great conditioner, I would highly recommend this by Attitude.